Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 3D globe using Adobe Illustrator. First, we create a new document and choose the appropriate size depending on our project. Now we draw a circle using the ellipse tool while holding the Shift key. Next, we place the world map image into the document. Then we open the Symbols panel and convert the map into a symbol. After that, we divide the circle into two halves, delete one half, and keep one. We select the remaining half of the circle, go to the Effect menu, choose 3D and Materials, then Revolve. From here, we adjust the rotation settings to form a 3D sphere. Inside the 3D settings, we open Map Art, select the map symbol we created earlier, and adjust its position and scale until it fits perfectly on the globe. Finally, we confirm the settings and get a realistic 3D globe using Illustrator. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more design tutorials. Thank you for watching.